Hi guys, it's me, Teresa Perrin. I just wanted to bring you a quick update because you may have noticed that crypto seems to be going crazy with crypto related stocks today. And I wanted to show you because these have been very heavily shorted. And I have a feeling that what we're seeing is some shorts covering as Bitcoin broke above 22,000. So there's been substantial movement, and I think that if it continues on this uptrend, there will be a lot more to come. So I pulled up a total of 12 different stocks that I just want to bring to your attention so that you can keep an eye on them. Of course, everybody's familiar with Coin. That's the first one I have up here, which is trading at $61.92, guys. This had a low of somewhere around $50. That was unbelievable, and has had a high of over $400. So that's a good one to keep an eye on. Mara had a high of $80, guys. It's currently trading at $10.60. SOS Communications, guys, this thing has been like reverse split and everything else, and it has a huge gap to the upside. I have been tracking this stock for a couple of years now because it's just had some crazy stuff going on, but it had a reverse split recently, came down, made a new all-time low, which I'm sure would have been lower than its really low prior to the reverse split if you take the shares all together. And anyways, it was trading under $5, but it's currently up to $6.29. And guys, there's a gap fill somewhere around $95 to like $100 or $105 off the top of my head because, again, I'm trying to do the math because of the reverse split that they had. So anyways, that one, I am expecting something huge to come out of it sometime soon if crypto continues to rise. Of course, we're all familiar with HUT8. They're currently at $1.92. They did briefly go over $2. This was a fan favorite about a year and a half ago when crypto was really hot, guys. So keep an eye on it because I'm sure that if we were to look at the short interest, it's probably huge. GREE, which you all know from support.com, had that crazy merger, and it's going probably going to go much higher than the current where it's at $2.98, guys. But it actually started trending up Friday. So I think that this could have a long way to go. It says, like, if you look at the chart, that the high was like $59 or something like that, but it absolutely was not. That's BS, because when it did the reverse split, it was like $80 or something like that, maybe even higher. I'm sorry, not the reverse split, when it did the switch from like support over to GREE, and then they just like dumped it. Like it was nuts, and a lot of people got trapped in that one. So that is definitely one to keep an eye on. RIOT, and well, I already went over Mara, but RIOT is also, like, RIOT and Mara kind of like trade together all the time. I'd call them the dynamic duo when crypto's hot. So keep an eye on RIOT. It's currently at $6.71. I'm not sure off the top of my head what the high is, so I'll have to get back to you on that one, or else I can pull it up real quick so you have an idea, because I like to know that so I know where to kind of set my expectations if crypto is to go on a run. So over a year ago, well, about a year ago, the high was $46.28, guys. And it has a 5-year high back somewhere between January and February of 2021 of $79.50. So keep that in mind. Oops, sorry, I have adder in there, but that's just something I'm watching that's not related to crypto. So I apologize, but mistake. Guess you get an 11. TYDE is, as you know, BBIG's spinoff, Cryptide, which I was waiting today for it to start moving, and look, it popped during this video. So it's trying to get over that 105 high from either, I think that's probably from Friday, and let's see if it does, because that has a long way to run in my opinion. So keep an eye on TYDE. Rev should not be in there either. Sorry guys, I moved some things over and apparently I moved the wrong ones, so we're gonna cross that one out because that's not crypto related. So you're gonna get 10. My apologies. Nile, is trading at currently 33 cents. Well, 33.8 cents. Guys, this has been beat down and beat down hard, as you guys well know. I'm surprised this, honestly, being as cheap as it is, isn't really flying right now, because it should. Its 1 year high was $2.94, but its 5-year high has gone significantly higher. It's had a couple of well, they kind of appear to be like runs up to $10.94 and another one up to $10.68. So if this gets going, I wouldn't be surprised if it started making a run towards that number again. Some of the runs it's had, guys, have only gone to like $6.55, $7.99. But as you can see, that's a huge difference from where we're at right now. $5.95 is another run that it had. So, I would suspect if this trend continues that it makes some moves. BTCM is another one, guys, that this was actually very, very heavily shorted at one time. And I had been targeting it for a short squeeze, but it's gone through a lot of crap. And I'm not sure where it currently is as far as shorted, but I'm guessing it's like very, very high. And the 1 year high, guys, was $14.65. And I think that's probably the 5-year high too. No, there's a 5-year high on this, guys, of $35 back somewhere between January 29th and February 26th. I'm looking at a quick one just to get an idea for you. So it did go as high as $35. So definitely keep your eye on that, because it's obviously trading under $1, and I like the pattern. If you look at the chart, it looks like it's about to break out from that set once it passes through that 72 cents. And then another popular one is BTBT. I've never actually traded this one, but I know that a lot of people do, so I did want to bring that up and bring it to your attention. So keep an eye on these 12 tickers. Again, you know, if crypto continues to run, guys, they will too, because it all goes back to that Bitcoin mining. And, you know, when crypto trades, it does too. Square is another one off the top of my head that I can think of. And I'm not sure about any others, but I'm sure there's other like pennies and things like that that I'm not aware of. DMGGF, I don't think I brought that up here, and I meant to. That's another penny one that's been beat down hard. So see, I did give you your 12 after all. You're just not looking at the charts. DMGGF, unfortunately I can't pull it up on here, but it's trading at like, let's see if I can see it on a different screen I have. It's trading currently at 24.5 cents, guys, and this had a 1 year high of $1.35. So, you know, it could potentially more than 5x. You know, there's a lot of potential here and stuff to keep your eyes on. So that's why I wanted to bring this to you. Apparently, it's falling a little, they're all falling a little bit right now. So, I mean, not substantially, just pulling back, which is good, because we don't want them to go straight up and not come back and touch, you know, those lower moving averages. That would not be healthy. If we want these runs to continue, they have to do this, guys. So just keep an eye on them. You know, I don't tell anyone when to buy, hold, or sell. So you got to do your own DD, figure out which the best ones for you. I suggest going back, looking at the longer time frames to see how they move, so you're familiar with their patterns if we do get some runs going, guys, which hopefully we will. Anyways, thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day.